welcome back to my channel. 나 드링인도 돼요. 칼로리 뭐 가진 뭐 스케랑 인도 쓰고는요. 가진 쓰고요. 가리스에 근데 갖고지 뭐 하고 말이야. 뭐 쉬어지고来봐니. 다 인도 지스요. 아니 인도데 가르래라나요. nga wndi ngindung di sui ga tong sang wndi chamba chi kwanda la wndi ngi de shawra khwal tong sing de shawo a wndi ngindung di tong sang chwa jmu ro tong syo wndi ngindung mi se ji da tong syo ta wndi kalore khare la na yo ta e pishna ngi gi kalore la wa he is 10 ne da ko chu da ko changma changyo ine ita ko yo di chi go la pishna tama dong go ne kyo khare kha ju je endo example 아니 준이 가지고 제래 언제 치야 당하세요.
소소 오프닝 말해.
소소 오프닝은
어쩌네. 아니 미야 미시 맞지 저라. 몰라 그 너셔도 인터넷.
안들래 맞다. 띵아라니 가지랑 쌈수리요. 아니 수지 저 치야 가지고 요말 가지는 아라니 수수 미성만 로로 하고요. 랑서. Okay, that we going to start. He is tender. takoyo chun churdayo. But he is like koyo cigarette ngar tungmar keje cigarette ji kollar ko chenga don komi changma la koyo changma cha look changore jopada kharin changma changore ine khol keje tang zu ta pesena example gaudo na keje phal share shira kogi mi changma leda an kyo angi hazu desert tang mo delada
미 상말 라다
호텔에 더모 삼녀고도 호텔에다
아니가 7
알레 뭐 7 days 7 간데서 카인데서 다 라오르티스
다디 카망부로 셔라 님이 카망부시네 약부에 말하고요
7 나나 it's a great number okay 7 는 안기 아부르다
레더라
아마 그 7 딱그 7 데 마디 고르티
칼라 오르가 고총 동안 레버딘 부지 치민 동안 까방아지란 부지 시로데
오케이 또 당황 알레시게 저라 나요 콜랑이 가주테 나나 응아테요 가진라나 코 창마 창여다라 이내기 또 소소 거우도이너리 카리네 소소 저 미스터 소소 직 나로 릴레이션십 직 나로 요디요 또 소소기 계제 시크릿도 다 소소가지다 컬러 소소가지 계제 개체다 아니 소소 심발나 허 차우고도 도양 강이 양게 창마 콜시라 시엔이라 다 소소 라이 파트너도라 example 또 코기 계세요 계제 미 창마를 시게나 아니 하워요 릴레이션십 레드 메인 카리레 트러스트 레드라 계시 또 코미 창마라잖아 고따 디콜 트러스트 셈도 가는 오따 콜 라우스네 오따 코미 셈 라시래 소소 셈나디스 컬러다 마랑저 도시도 오케이 다 컬러 레몬돌라 땅아 안기가 테 큐라다다
레고
모이 정보 니 리즌 포라 뭐 니 상관은 뭐 지르래 딱히 지르 가진 리즌라다
시그렛 레디 시그렛 샤워 말해 이렇게 라야 말해
오케이 따따요 당보디 조스타니오디
찍라 지로 마셔
땅기 라다 또 뭔가 디마르 베지 이거 찍라다 뭐나
숨
오케이 숨 가진
딱이제 가실라나 데드 디고다 수 족보데 내를 참삼 다음에 또
Okay, that's your next mokuru.
He is 10 but he don't like child.
Oh, okay.
Kopula go.
He is 10 but he don't like child ledila nga angi doing do stenda. Ta khari yomana na kopu shinjil go mara. Da dida nga ende shina so matter chir samgi mindura khali galiya tik dura. Okay, nga angi kola 17. 3 khain chain na yo. ता 가진 자나 또 망바다 미제염 듣게나 난 부글래데다 수수타야 파마 체리 부체라 이제 부글 고면에 야고 마시시네 야고면다 so that is 안기 숨차요 심바다 7 딱 교안기 하드래 this yes it
안기야 시
가진
가실랑 부글 거
okay that one 숨바데더라 he is 10 but he is always late kattuina kwaltuina kwadol ta paledina angi gajude ta kotenre da onsa sammo yaro hawde hoya tenna na changma changma da 3 4 직 부지요 말
알레 게
reason she or the very angi namda
okay 게 가시는 요 late shadinga 가세서 통문도
it's not a big matter right
yeah
ngaya chuni good shay hajin lawa ta chuni chu thangmun ko 10 reyo uga chin late shay da it's fine hajin la ngaraya yo takwa late ngaraya yo ande kisu takpa dume takpa late to da hamasya ine ta ta how ya ko let li yo na ye ngara dia pa how le pan sharan di pa let le mara
Okay, more
okay
late lamb. Okay, that means.
o ko let li sam so sang mo let le jen lung sang mo okay then problem solved le jonir okay answer
Kita
den
mau
so
pakai dan nyamuk ya, Rod.
ni fan ra nga hawra
Kefir khadir nada.
Zumala fan number. I'm not that big YouTuber, but I
Big
still have
YouTuber.
some few subscribers.
Still have some
They are not my
views.
fan, but they are my subscribers.
They are my
Tazumda,
subscribers.
tayo chiwo di moy gurgir.
Okay, he's 10, but he loves money.
10, 1,000. Go dear. I don't think it's a big problem. Kaji pesha go na yaku ren. Ina pesha go la na yang. Nang bolo di mo disha ko gyama pesha go na yaku misang pesha go ren sa. Tingsang tuzu misang pesha go pesha na mis sigo pesha na mis zuma sho pesha na pinga yana pinga men chur. Okay.
Nga chikcha yagu.
Reason she ta ya mulla or pura.
Reason dola na hamsta. Oke, sih juga. Mulai itu cuma rotin deh sih. Oke, kasih lana ya. Pesha go lah, di tiga tadi urut raya yang pesha go ini tuh.
Pesha go in go mes. Angin gudis.
Mata, aci pesha go ini tuh. Kayo mare. Yang mas tagas chikcha sih.
Okay, tayo round thangboshda on the charsyo. Kalau round thangbo karlana tangena so he is 10 but and he is 10 led. On the samayo the round di thangbo di josyo. Tayo segment nyo dire. Tayo segment nyo khache lana yo kalau gore. Dishi de YouTuber khache jiyo. Skating giriyo. Ani ke di gas shini sumakular. Okay. Yeah. Tayo mi this pata. Pata da zi.
아직 안 파다 되냐?
Dina 통을 nga dina 돼.
아니, 건너.
Tan shu.
오케이.
Tan ke bare nalo.
아니 చెప్పు 아유 타나나 تريد خلاص هو أشهد الشرارة تعطي كم جملي أنا drink grocery shopping دورة empty grocery shopping بومتي ها تروح oh my gosh
كده دي ليميت دو يمره.
Tão de limite alto, né? Que lá yes is era menor em texto assim. Isso que mais deixa.
지야,
Tá
맞아.
de surgesse.
이런 날기 여덟.
And you are absolutely right. Hamara, it's Biron Lurky. Okay, now it's her turn.
알았어. 알았어. 야.
Exactly.
야, 가래.
Kare chila tema shishi dozi gain na stanga ya. What is that? Shake chedro. This must have kitchen burger. Karma chakra shirsha. Chungda vlog. Ga. Chungda vlog. Moyo take shape. Kalau audio pargi di sangmayo. Kele mang shehu dong abu gosu masyo. Chungda vlog ring ata yes. Okay, ita mo bare. Okay. This is going to be very easy for her.
Jose, Teacher, where were the two?
Alex. 럽상. 근데 민두사. 사실 근데 Alex के cosa? 럽상 के cosa?
Digorda kalangi this tenang no khajila Alex ke tangbulida. And YouTube lobsan do da digor mon digs yo ke Alex khajila. Okay, and you will get point tangari nga point chi shasa.
Nga point ni ke point chi.
Okay, okay.
Okay, tada. Yeah.
Tadi minga de bir ni re yo. Famous channel. Lah. Yeah. Tadi last YouTuber last read. Okay, this is. Okay. Ready, eh?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Iskala putih kare ente lelo ente. Sama lelo ente.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh my god, my favorite. My favorite. All-time favorite. Yes. One of my favorite mode of Mingmar. Mingmar Hamu channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Last year, yes. Here's Kachimba.
Okay, tanga ngani ka top di tanga ngani ka lelo do sama YouTuber. Okay, tamo tingir. Wang's vlog.
Kada was
Ngati. Didn't vlog aje. Ajar. Okay, any the round did there. Second round segment digarang jos. The third the last round and what this running ngani do digarang zamshen. So for the third segment, we are going to see who knows each other better, right?
Yes.
So we are going to ask few questions
We've been thinking of this so many days.
since last year.
Yeah, since last year we've been thinking like who knows me better is the one.
Who knows each other better, right?
Yeah.
So now we will ask each other questions and we will see.
Why are we speaking in English?
We'll just speak in English so that even like
Okay.
those who don't know Tibetan, they can even watch this and enjoy it. Okay, so
you.
now I'll start. What is my favorite fruit?
Okay. Fruit. Okay.
Guys, wait. Actually, I have 3 or 4 favorite food, but if she say any one of those, I'll give her point.
Oh my god. Okay, I will say banana.
Oh my goodness. Ta-da. Actually,
Yeah, okay, it's
no,
watermelon.
no.
Watermelon.
Ew, no.
What?
Minus 0.
I thought you like watermelon. I thought you liked watermelon.
Those who know me very well, for example, my family, my sister, and etc., they know that I hate banana and watermelon. I don't hate banana, but I hate watermelon. I don't like eating
like
banana.
both of them.
I don't like watermelon. Wait, let me explain it.
Okay, papaya.
Leave it. Oh my god, she's saying all the worst
That's
fruit
my
which
favorite.
I don't like.
What's your favorite? Strawberry?
You listen.
Lychee?
Let me speak first.
What's your favorite? I mean,
Shut
I
up.
don't get it.
She didn't even mention one of my favorite fruit. Now
Okay,
let me
pineapple.
Let me say.
Pineapple.
My favorite fruit is pineapple.
See?
First pineapple.
Pineapple.
Second mango, grapes, and so
yeah, you did.
she didn't even mention any of my favorite fruit.
She didn't eat grapes. Yeah, how will I know?
You don't know that. Okay, you will not get any points for this question. So now it's your turn.
Okay, it was easy, but it's not her. Okay, right now I'm watching American TV show. What I'm watching?
Actually, she gave me like toughest question because how can I know that what kind of
yesterday
movies
I told her that I'm watching this, and I showed the video and the name also, and she don't remember. That's not my problem. She don't know me.
It doesn't mean that I don't know you.
You tell me the story, or that I told you yesterday.
You really shared me the
I
story.
really did.
Gajani hu main.
She didn't get the point. Next question. Okay.
Actually,
okay, I'm watching Malcolm in the Middle.
Malcolm in the Middle.
Yep. That's very nice. You guys should watch. I recommend it.
Okay. What is my current Hindi favorite song?
Oh my god.
Current favorite Hindi song.
Okay.
You want me to give options?
Of course.
Okay, I'll give you 3 options.
Okay.
And the first one is
Did
Tum Hi Ho.
I listen to those songs? Yeah.
I can't say that. You have
Okay.
to say whether it's my favorite or not.
Okay.
The first song is
Tum hi ho. Okay.
Tum
Next.
Hi
Next.
Ho. Second one is Chittiyan Kalaiya Ve.
Next.
I'll give you 4 options.
Okay.
Third one, Ui Amma Hai Hai Main
Next.
Tumhare Gai. Fourth one,
I got the answer.
yeah.
Ui amma मैं तो मर गई. Ui amma. Ui amma. Ui amma.
Okay, we'll show you the small dance step.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Ui amma मैं तो टूट के बिखर गई. Ui amma. Ui amma. What is my go-to drink? It's an easy one.
Drink means what?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, banana shake. Now you can't say that it is not your go-to favorite.
Okay, it's not my favorite. I used to drink papaya shake. I like more papaya
Oh
shake.
my
'cause
goodness.
banana is very heavy. So I like water. I thought you were gonna say water because I've been drinking water.
Okay. Your questions is very tricky as your personality.
Oh my god, it's not.
Just
It's
kidding.
not. Okay, your question.
What is my height? It is very easy for her. She's like overacting. She's acting like she don't know it.
Actually, I don't know.
Don't act.
Actually, I don't know.
Really?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think you are 5, 8 or 9.
You have to say 1. You can't say 2.
Oh my god, I just confused. I think I'm gonna say 9, 5, 9.
Actually, you are 101% wrong. And my height is 5.8. Okay, Taya.
I thought you're low. You're short, girl. You're so short.
Me to stand up and show you.
You stand up, show you.
Okay, now she's roasting me. Okay, let's continue to the next question.
Okay, my question. You don't know my favorite song, so I'm not gonna answer because it's so difficult. No one knows my favorite song.
If you don't say it, how we know?
I say.
Okay, now next
You
question.
don't know my favorite song. What's my favorite movie? It's Hindi movie, by the way.
Who is the hero?
Okay, it's gonna be so easy. I'm gonna say actress.
Yeah.
Okay, Karina.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
No, ew, I don't like this kind of movie.
Jab We Met.
Okay, I will give you 2 more chances.
Koi mil gaya.
Last chance.
Karina. Good news.
My favorite movie is 3 Idiots. I love 3 Idiots. No matter what, I'm gonna watch this movie 1,000 times. It's my all-time favorite.
Show me now. And samalo de thiringing into the dikarang yins anita ya and the last segment dio this chokso rochas yo. Main kharis lana ngarin niga paju ngoshing. Ngoshing mundu lana ta the tiwa dim chokso paju kursra da digorio. Thiringing into jida. Kalo ngani main to de la tujutun so wide kalana. Ngani into the this tik torch mu chungu resam ni serio. Chungu meta hagoya goya. Nindu tama bodo siwala ning tapani tujena ani like share subscribe comment 상마 닝닝 두나 지로나요 아니 칼로 기스랑 모두 오신시 바르 이모민 조가르 계속 기세야 겨울에 왜나 낸다 오케이 아니 bye.
See you tomorrow.
아니 니 유튜브 나올래니 가르쳐 알레스
같이 질리민도
아니 야야 안 정말로 next 인도 나라지요 bye.